Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin daily analysis for today, 10th of July of 2024. Well, this is the daily chart for Bitcoin. Yesterday we were talking about the chances of Bitcoin to going up or going down. We marked these two zones and likely Bitcoin managed to close above this zone. This red line is the midpoint of this week, and Bitcoin today it managed to close above. This close is bullish, not super bullish, but bullish in general because it shows the willing to to continue going up. So the main scenario for today is is that the Bitcoin will print another bullish candle. Maybe will retrace a little more. Maybe will retrace to the midpoint of this candle that is 57,354.8 dollars. Maybe will retrace to this zone and then during the morning of this day will continue going up. The ideal scenario will be that Bitcoin close above this fair value gap and of course during the day or maybe tomorrow it will manage to close over this mitigation block because here we have a big zone of resistance because it's the retracements of this huge range. This retracement, this zone usually is the zone when the price start to reverse. So I hope the idea is that Bitcoin continue going up and manage to close above this mitigation block, manage to close and break above this fair value gap, and keep going higher. And this zone will be a high resistance zone because we have this optimal trade entry during in this range. We have this fair value gap, and we have this mitigation block. And in all these places, we will see a lot of sell pressure. So it's a zone very important for Bitcoin. We need to put a really close eye on this and see how the price react. But for now, for today in specific, I'm continue bullish with high chances of Bitcoin to print at least maybe around 3.5, 3.7, 3.8% of gain for today, Wednesday. These Wednesdays, we have a news. The Fed Powell will speech at 10 a.m. around 10 a.m. And that will move the markets. Usually Wednesday are the days with more volatility, so it's expected that Bitcoin will do more than 3% in this day. The bearish scenario is unlikely for now because Bitcoin will need to erase completely this candle and close below the open of yesterday. The open of yesterday is at 56,537.7. So in order to turn bearish in the near price action, we need that Bitcoin starting to close below this zone. So I think, well, and for the downside, this part is a very important part. This part two, we have a sell side liquidity in the daily, and we have a sell side liquidity in the weekly, and we have a huge order block in the weekly. So these are the main zones for downside. And for upside, you already know this zone is very important, this mitigation block, and we will see what's happening the next day. But for now, the main objective is that we are bullish and Bitcoin will retrace a little bit and then continue going up during the market open hours in the US. Okay, so well, guys, I hope you like the video. You can subscribe to the channel if you want and give us a like and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow.